Hello everyone, I'm going to share results and reviews of my online coaching. Alhamdulillah, I have achieved 100% result of online coaching classes till now. These online coaching classes are for Prometric exam preparation. So let's see the reviews of online coaching classes, and you can visit my Instagram account to see the reviews of clients for online coaching class material. Okay, let me show you my first successful client of Saudi license exam. Alhamdulillah, my exam was best, and he was Rizwan from Saudi Arabia, and he cleared Saudi license exam with just 13 days of online coaching classes. The second one was Irsa. She cleared DH exam with online coaching classes. And here is the review of Irsa. Thank you so much, Dr. Huma. Your coaching classes and material helped me a lot. And she passed the exam with 18 days of preparation, online coaching. And this is the third one. You can see that almost 80% from your pocketbook and material. Okay, let's move towards another client. She is Zahra, and she cleared Saudi license exam with online coaching classes. Okay, let's move towards another one. Okay, for registration, you can mail me at hik_28@hotmail.com. I will provide my email address in description box also. Okay, so this one is another client. These are the reviews of my clients, and I have posted all these reviews in my Instagram account. So kindly follow me in Instagram and also like my Facebook page. And if you still haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. So he is another client of online coaching, King One from Korea. He has cleared MOH exam in first attempt after Prometric exam preparation from online coaching classes. You may see that the she or he has posted that the 80% MCQs were from what you have taught in online coaching classes. She is Saleha, and she cleared Saudi license exam with exactly the same questions and same MCQs. You are literally giving people the key of exam. So these are the reviews of my clients. This is another client of material, Zarina. She has cleared Saudi license exam. Here is another client. She has recently cleared Saudi license exam. Fatima. She has cleared DHA exam from online coaching classes. Okay. From second batch of online coaching class. And let's move towards another client. So yes, she is another client from online coaching, Aruj. She has cleared a DH exam. And then another client has cleared Saudi license exam. I think she is Atika, and she has cleared Atika from second batch of online coaching, and she has cleared Saudi license exam. So this is my Instagram page. You can follow me in Instagram. And if you still haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe my channel. Okay, you can check here in highlights about online coaching reviews and my material reviews. Registrations for 5th batch of online coaching will be announced after completing 4th batch. Remember me in your prayers and keep supporting.